FDA team today has once again carried out a surveillance drive, and we started off this with an action in Agasaim first, where there was a biryani place which we were tracking, Hyderabadi Dum Biryani. We had received the input that it's operating under unhygienic conditions, so we went there and we have asked this place to close operations. Then we moved on to Sangolda area, Bella Vista, where again we had received some inputs there. One unit was supplying mithai and farsan items to even 5-star hotels. And when we went there, it was very shocking that the conditions were very poor, and hence they have immediately directed the owner to stop operations and also upgrade their licenses. They were operating with registration certificates which are not the appropriate licenses for such kind of business. And another opposite that was one more place called Bengali Adda that was also supplying food. So basically these were cloud kitchens working through the platform of these apps. So we have tracked them down and they have been asked to close operations. And then now we have come to this Mapusa area where in the Alankar, where we had done the inspection earlier, we had received one input that one of the outlets operating there is preparing the food in a flat, and that was tracked today. And we checked here in this apartment, we found that the gravies and the rice, the pre-cooking part was done here. It was unhygienic, and this too has been asked to stop operations. So this has been a summary of the work that we have done today.